Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life of an entrepreneur here in Singapore. That sounds good, right? But I can assure you, it's not fun at all. So look, the sound of being an entrepreneur or a digital nomad might sound fun, but it's actually not.
Some track your like your head movement, then some track most of the features is like hip.
Anyway, we are at Good Luck Cafe shooting some content for them with my partner Marcus. Ooh, let's go. Let's drink a lot of coffee today. You can have another long black here.
Oh shit, this is your pool.
So anyway, I just started a marketing agency 4 months ago, and today I'm here at Good Luck Cafe to shoot some content for them. It's a pretty good cafe. You guys should come and try it out. It's right here. It's also a place where I used to work at. So one, two, three. Few tripods. The amount of gears that you need to bring for a shoot, I don't know. We're still beginner at this, but looks like a lot. The text version also can.
Which text version? Oh,
I don't know if you've seen it before. So like, the boss texts you,
yeah,
but it will be on the screen. So you will be the guy who's like looking at a blank screen.
Yeah.
But then on the social media screen, there will be a text pop up.
Right.
Hey Marcus,
okay.
Find a meeting place.
So you cannot see the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Find a meeting place on cafe. Third cup of the day. This is the life, man. Woo.
So reliant on me.
So reliant. Fuck, man. Hey, he's right. He's right. Alright, so that was the morning shoot, and I'm on my way to another cafe for another shoot, and it's actually a newly opened cafe, Burmese concept at Sota. It's a really nice place, so yeah, can't wait to share with you guys. But the rainbow, how am I gonna get there? Oh no. Well, I have no choice. I've got timings to meet, so I'm just gonna walk it away. Anyway, this has been in Singapore. It's been raining for the past 3 days, non-stop. Haven't stopped yet. I mean, it's not like heavy rain, drizzle, yeah. But it's nice. It's quite cooling. Better start running. But I love it. Hopefully this stops, because it's been for 3 days and it's crazy. Tasting session.
Session မှာအားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော် Avenue J Cookie Tasting Session လုပ်နေပါတယ်
Alright, let's go.
First ever batch
First ever batch.
double ရိုက်မယ်
Three portion. မင်းတို့မှာထည့်ဖို့ဘလို့အင်္ဂလိပ်ရိုက်အဲ့အင်္ဂလိပ်ဆက်ပြီး So anyway, I'm here at Avenue J Cafe, and this is their soft launch. There's quite a lot of people there, and they are a well-known cafe brand in Yangon, Myanmar, and they are my very good friend as well. We we went to same university, studied together, and all that stuff. Yeah, finally they open up here, and I can't wait to try it out. Basically because it's a very Burmese themed cafe, Burmese tea, Burmese food. So I can't wait to try it out, and I know the quality that they bring here. So yeah, I just can't wait to try it out. I ordered some tea. Hopefully, yeah. Let's give it a try. I'm pretty sure it will be good. I'm just excited to try it. Anyway, I just ordered this tea called Jazing. It's basically milk tea, but there's more tea in it instead of like hot water and condensed milk. So it is very, very strong. Yeah, one of the best part about coming here, they have a lot of varieties of teas, so you can customize your tea flavors. And yeah, that's one thing that I think we as Burmese grew up drinking different kind of variety of tea, like sweet stuff, or like more tea, more milk, more hot water, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's something that I'm excited to try. Cheers guys, let's give it a taste test. Ooh. The tea is definitely good. I used to hate this when I was young because the tannin part of the tea is just too strong, but as I grew older, I just love that taste. And it's not sweet at all. It have a little bit of condensed milk in it and rarely any hot water added to it. So yeah, it's really strong. It's like very gao. So here we go. I just switched to a little smaller camera as this thing is drawing too much attention. Anyway, let's talk about the topic that I shared with you this morning. Anyway, I'm just sharing from my own experience about this whole entrepreneurship and digital nomad thing. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of successful people and who enjoy the work, but I am pretty sure there are a lot of people who are struggling as well, and I could be someone in between. Yeah, so it's not really glamorous as how we see it on social media. It's not, it's really, really tiring, to be honest. I think a lot of my friends are very comfortable with 9 to 5 and very happy to be doing their office work or work under someone else. And yeah, this bloody entrepreneurship, starting your own company and doing your own businesses, it is really tiring, it's really draining, and you need a lot of discipline. And most of the time, even if you have the discipline, you still need a lot of other aspects to win in this kind of work. And I have a lot of people, I have a lot of bosses who are successful and who are thriving in what they do. But if you ask them, being an entrepreneur and starting their own business, it is super tiring. For instance, my last boss, he only sleep like 5 hours and he would just work. Yes, he can drive a Mercedes, Ferrari, whatsoever, but at the end of the day, it can be quite draining. It can be very tiring. So yeah, it's never like how it is on the internet, at least from my own experience. And yeah, like I said, for me, I'm experiencing the same way. This is basically on a Saturday. We don't have a work schedule. We are working like 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. That's a little bit exaggerating, but that's the reality of it. It's not fun. You really have to enjoy what you do. For me, this is not tiring at all. I love taking photos. I love taking videos. I love talking to new people, meet new people, and then yeah, this is something that I love. So it is not that tiring. But even though I love doing this, sometimes I can have burnout, especially on the creative side of things. So yeah, I've already chosen this path and I enjoyed it, but would I recommend to someone else to start off a company? It's all fun and all at the start, but it is really hard. So yeah, if I have to give advice to my younger self, I don't think I would recommend that. So I'm making this statement. I mean, I'm sharing this because I saw this video on TikTok this morning, and basically I'm just gonna read it out for you. Basically it says, don't waste, chasing money for the wrong things. Build, learn, grow, use the most precious assets you will ever have, which is your youth. And time is the only currency you'll never get back. And I think this was something that, it's something that a lot of people online should share, because at least for my FYP for you page on like YouTube, all I see is how much I made in a blah blah blah, how I started a successful business, blah 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 blah, right? The hardly I see anyone sharing about the hardship, about the the hours that they had to put in. They only share about the good stuff. So yeah, maybe I'm seeing the wrong stuff and all, but yeah, I thought I could be one of those person telling you guys it's not so easy. It's a tough journey. It's something that not a lot of people will enjoy it, and something that I wouldn't recommend to a lot of people, because I think now what I'm having is like, I'm so into this, right? All I think about is work, and then sometimes this can affect your relationship, your time with your friends, your time with your family. And yeah, those are the times that you can never actually get back. Your parents are only gonna grow older, you are gonna grow older, and that's something that you miss out. I miss out honestly a lot, especially ever since I moved back to Singapore. So yeah, this year, I don't know, I'm still in the rhythm of chasing after money, but I think I will try to improve on spending quality time with friends, family, and people that matter to me more than just chasing money, because yeah, it's really important, guys. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. Take it with a pinch of salt. Yeah, I might not be the best person for you to listen to, but yeah, I'm just sharing my opinion out here. So my current marketing agency, we don't just acquire clients and make sales. We also write a lot of blogs, which I'm actually working on right now. And yeah, basically if you visit our website, Restive, and you go to blogs, there are quite a number of blogs we have written. There's 6, number 7 coming up, where we share a lot of about our marketing and strategies and things that brands should be doing and what they can benefit from. So yeah, we're not just another marketing agency, and that's something that we want to differentiate ourselves. We don't have sales goals. We just want to have a proper client where we can take care of their marketing and help them out. So yeah, sharing with you guys a little bit about this startup marketing agency. Done with the number 7, blog number 7. It's crazy how in university I hate to write blogs, but right now I'm doing it without anyone telling me what to do. Crazy how things have changed. Chopstick skill terosur. Alright, this handsome man got me a gift. I'm gonna open it and see. Look at it. Oh, it looks like, feels like a shirt. Wait, what? Nice.
You like the color?
Yeah.
It feels good also on the skin. Texture quality, they're gone.
Yep. Nice, bro. Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Brown sugar.
幫我影影你有唔得？
好重要啊！你買嗰時嚟哦，just normal 呢啲。
So that was a very unhealthy meal for my dinner. But yeah, going back home now and heading towards the gym. Let's go. Gym session is done. Time to go for a run. It's gonna be either 5 km or longer than that, but depends on the rain. If it gets too heavy, I can't risk this in this heavy rain. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop somewhere. Anyway, let's go. That's how you get a running shot. And that is it, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna stretch a little bit and then end the vlog here. I hope you guys get some benefits out of this vlog, something to take away at least. So yeah, that's basically how my day is like every day, at least for now. Hopefully this ends in a year. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this hustling habits going. Anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.